Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can install WinPower in our computer. So first we need to go to this website, github.com/csabdulahad/WinPower. Then we can download this project as a zip file. Now we're going to extract this zip file. So I'm just going to move this folder to desktop. And now we can extract this folder using any software. So we have here the extracted folder. And now inside that folder, we need this folder, WinPower. So I'm just going to copy this folder and I'll go to program files and I'll paste it here. And I'll hit continue. Now we have that folder here. I'll go inside this one and I'll click on the address bar over here and copy this path. Now we have done step one, and we need to add this path to the system level environment variable. For that, we'll go to Start menu and we'll type environment, and here we go. So system environment variables, so click on that one, and from there we can go to environment variables. Under system variables, we see there's a variable called path. So I'm going to just edit that one, and I'm going to add a new entry, which is the path I have copied already. And now we have done adding WinPower. Now, for validation purpose, I'm just gonna run a command just to make sure that we have installed WinPower properly. So I'll type here peon, which is a tool from WinPower. So I'm just gonna hit enter and I'll wait for it. And here we go. This is how we add WinPower to our computer.